This is Jamie with Bar-i. In this video we're going to show you how to export your inventory counts from Bar-i using the Restaurant365 export template. So starting here on the main login screen of app.bar-i.com, go ahead, enter your login information and click sign in. Here on the main menu on the left, we want to click on settings. The first thing we're going to do is to change the export profile to be Restaurant365. Scroll down and select the second from bottom option of integrations. And we'll see by default this will be set to Excel. Simply click on the third option of export to Restaurant365 and you'll see a notification will confirm success. Then again from the main menu, click on the products option on the left hand side and note the red arrow when expanding, and then click on the integrations option. It's important you've completed a count, and you'll see the date on which that count was completed in the top left. And then if you already have numbers in your system, the number optional field in your purchased item record, you can go ahead and copy those from the purchased item record number field to the integration value here. That applies in a small number of cases. In the majority of cases, users will not have those numbers populated, and therefore you'll want to go ahead and hit this green slider button and switch it over to Bar-i Vessel ID. And notice when you do that, the vessel IDs are then populated for each item in your export. Now we're ready to export, so go ahead and click on the red export button in the top right. Choose your settings and go ahead and click save. And you're all set. Open it up and you can see your purchased item record integration values. Thank you.